All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go ahead and add images to your SharePoint site. So first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on Edit. And those of you that saw our text video, how to add text to your SharePoint site, you can actually add images there, but there is two other web parts that we can click on. So there's an image option, and then there's a gallery option. So let's say we want to replace this banner here just with a regular image. So we'll go ahead and delete our banner that we created, and then we'll click on Add a new web part. And if we scroll down to text, media, and contents, we have the image, and then we have the image gallery options. So you can add, if you have a series of images you want to add, obviously you'll want to use the gallery, but we just want to go ahead and select one image. So we'll click on image here. And then from here, we have the option to either upload an image, or we can go ahead and click on a stock image. So we'll just use a stock image for demonstration purposes, and we'll use this rave, looks like a rave photo, and we'll go ahead and we'll add it here. And you see it's pretty big, so we can obviously adjust the size if we need to, or we could even make this image a link to another website if we wanted. But we can also do some other things, such as opening a link in a new tab. We can disable the lightbox. We can add text over image. So we have lots of different options here, and you can obviously adjust the accessibility if needed as well. So from here, all we have to do is we can come over to resize, and once we click on that, we can just adjust it as needed. So maybe we don't want it as big as it was shown before. It looks like there's a new way you can drag or paste an image right into your page. Have an image web part or title area you want to change, just select it first and then drag or paste your image over it. Okay, so we have that option there. We can also crop it. So if we want to crop part of the image, we can do that as well. And we can change the alignment. So if we want it to align left, we can. We can switch it to the center. And then the shape. So if we want it to be more circular, we can do that. Let's do the teardrop. That's interesting looking. And we can always reset it back to the original image if we wanted to. But I wanted to see what advanced editing allows us to do. So it looks like with this, we can add a filter to the image. Okay, we can change the intensity of that filter, markup. So I'm guessing we can draw on the image if we want to. And obviously there's a reset in case you want to get rid of all of the different changes that you made to your image. And while we're on the markup, you can see here at the bottom, there's some different options when you're adding your markup. You can do it with a pen, pencil, highlighter. So go crazy, guys, go crazy. And once you have your image, so let's just go ahead and resize it. Then once we have our image the way that we want it, we can go ahead and we can republish our page. And now we have this image that doesn't really fit our page, but that's how you add an image, guys. So hopefully you'll find a much better use case than I did for my image. I'm sure you guys have seen some examples. People, they turn out some beautiful SharePoint sites. So the best way to get good at editing a SharePoint site is just to do it, and then just kind of try to find your groove and what flows with the different changes that you're making to your site. So I'm sure you guys will turn out some beautiful SharePoint sites, and I look forward to seeing them.